Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining. It's my extreme pleasure to introduce Kyle. I will not try to say your last name. Ryczek? Yes, perfect. Kyle Ryczek, who I've come to know over the past few months, as we were formulating a partnership between CARPL and Intelerad. Kyle is the VP of Product and Partnerships at Intelerad, a company we look up to a lot. Many of our customers are Intelerad customers as well, and he'll walk us through the journey of partnering with CARPL. So take it away, Kyle.
Thank you, Vidur. And it's been a pleasure working with you. Good afternoon, everyone. So Vidur already introduced me. I'm responsible for strategic partnerships and growth initiatives at Intelerad. And today I'm going to walk you through a bit of our recent journey as it relates to AI and the partnership that we've established with CARPL. Similar to a lot of the narrative that many of us are hearing about the next wave of radiology 3.0, Intelerad's journey has really been to three distinct phases. The beginning with 4 college graduates at McGill University in Montreal, with an idea and a vision to create a more accessible imaging solution. And then in the 2020s, there was a series of growth within the company and organically as we acquired multiple solutions to create a more holistic medical imaging platform. And now we're really keen to provide imaging that's truly just enabled natively with AI to drive workflow efficiencies and operational clinical efficiencies for our customers. And so partnering with someone like CARPL, along with other AI platforms and vendors, is a key part of our strategy moving forward. Don't need to spend a lot of time on this slide, but this is just a bit of an intro to Intelerad for those who may not be familiar with us. We're serving over 400,000 clinicians a month through our platform and 275 million exams annually, with numerous awards and currently in many of the English-speaking geographies in the world. But when we think about AI, we don't want to just say AI for the sake of AI. So we've been very thoughtful about how this applies to medical imaging workflow and the distinct categories that AI can provide value. And so we break that into 4 categories. Detection and triage, with identifying abnormal findings and surfacing those to the top so they get to the right clinician at the right time to drive efficiency there. And then there are clinical findings AIs focused on accuracy, quality, measurements, things of that nature that should truly be embedded in the viewing experience. And then workflow efficiency, automating things like hanging protocols and peer reviews. And then the last piece is reporting, to make that reporting process more streamlined and efficient. Some of you may have recently seen an announcement of our new intelligence platform at Intelerad, and this is the incorporation of standardization with how we integrate any AI, the AI of your choice, into the Intelerad experience. And so this platform is seeking to leverage our APIs and our kit to ensure that the AI that works best for you integrates to our viewer and to our worklist. And our strategy is really made up of 3 pillars. The first thing is the AI Lab, which is an exciting new client collaboration that we are embarking on with a consultation board of strategic clients who are vetting and validating AI-driven experiences in the workflow and working with us to identify the use cases that provide the most value back to the customer and ultimately drive better patient outcomes. And so we're co-creating, co-developing with our clients to create this experience. And then the partner ecosystem is intended to be a very curated and vetted ecosystem of partners that we are integrating with and embedding in our solutions. Intelerad is never going to be an AI development shop. We're aware of that. That's not our core competency. But we are partnering with best-in-breed solutions and best-in-breed platforms to ensure that we're providing the optimal experience to our customers. And then the last piece is the intelligence product platform for integration that I mentioned previously. So with that said, if you are interested in learning more about Intelerad and how we are integrating CARPL, we can provide you a demonstration of that over at our booth at 6113. And now I'm going to hand it over so we can actually take a look at a demonstration of how we're embedding the CARPL viewer and widget into the IntelliViewer.
Thanks, Kyle. Essentially, I'm just gonna read through this as well. In case you're an existing customer of Intelerad, you can leverage your current Intelerad infrastructure, your current integrations with your RIS in case it's not Intelerad, your VNA, and also deploy AI through CARPL through that mechanism. We'll also leverage your existing contracts, your existing security clearances, so that there's minimal extra paperwork that needs to be done. And lastly, of course, we'll piggyback on Intelerad's world-class support that they provide to all their customers. And if you are somebody who is considering Intelerad, currently not a user of Intelerad, there we are a pre-integrated AI marketplace, right? So it's like you're not just buying a PACS, you're buying a PACS with the encapsulated value of the entire AI ecosystem at your fingertips, quite literally. It's future-proof, partnering with us, we believe we are the future. So it's future-proof from that perspective. Getting the best of and it's not just us that is future-proofing, right? Because we bring the whole ecosystem of AI developers, whether there's an AI company that started 6 months ago or 6 years ago, all of that is at your fingertips. And of course, that also comprises of the world's best AI. From a demonstration perspective, this is a short video that we've created. I'm just going to start it. So the idea is, we have our CARPL widget here. I'm sure some of you would have already seen it. Scan opens on Intelerad. There are two ways that happens. The consumption of AI. Sorry, what did I just do? Does it work? Yeah. So no, I don't think that works. Anyways. So there's two things that are going to happen here. There's going to be a secondary capture sent into the PACS, which was kind of the old way of doing things, right? Where you can't really modify it, you can't copy it. It's always there. It's going to be, maybe become part of your hanging protocol. But then through the CARPL widget, you can get access to the same information, but when you want it, right? As opposed to it being, shown on your face. The tabular data can be copy pasted into your reports. You also have the option of pushing to PACS if you want to keep that as an image. And then there's also this green dot, which is essentially an icon color combination that can be tagged to various different AI finding combinations. So what that means is that if for chest X-ray, you want pneumothorax to be a red dot, but pleural effusion to be a red square, you can do that as well and create your own clinical AI language, if I may. And again, all of this will leverage the existing Intelerad system that you have deployed. And hello, yeah. And the road ahead is, as Kyle mentioned at the beginning, Radiology 3.0. The idea is to deliver faster and better answers that are patient-centric. This is a global collaboration between the two companies. Reach out to us for AI enabling your Intelerad workflow, right? And us, in this case, means either CARPL or Intelerad. We aim to impact X million. We put the X there because AI is so rapidly expanding that we don't know how many million people are going to be impacted by it. And of course, we're catalyzing medical care. So this is an AI-generated image showing, the evolution of AI, of imaging from film to AI. So that, thank you for your attention.